Getting rich might seem to be difficult, but only if you don't have the good money habits. The good money habits could make any person a millionaire, and that too in a very short period of time. In this video, we will be discussing about the 10 good money habits that will make you rich in 2023. Watch the video till the end, as the last habit is very crucial for you to have. Now let's start. 1. Don't spend more than you earn. So, let's start from the beginning. It is the cornerstone of sound fiscal practices. No financial objectives will be achieved if you can't learn to live within your means. To live within your means, one must spend no more than one receives in monthly income. Living within your means requires an accurate assessment of those means. So before we go any further, it's important to assess where you are in your own personal financial history. Are your monthly expenses more than your income? Or can you put away a little more dollars per month to build your savings? If you can put away a little each month, you're doing well. 2. Create smart financial objectives. You need to know what your long-term financial objectives are and then roughly how much money you'll need to achieve them. For this purpose, SMART financial goals are excellent. The acronym SMART stands for specific, measurable, attainable, realistic, and timely. Getting where you want to go is going to be a lot more difficult if you don't have a detailed strategy and set of attainable objectives. With SMART objectives, you can map out a path to success that will help you achieve your goals. Do you have experience in creating and achieving monetary objectives? Establish a plan that serves your immediate and future demands. 3. Have a financial strategy in place. People who go far in life are the ones who learn to prepare ahead, particularly with their finances. Make a budget and do all in your power to adhere to it in order to keep your financial situation under control. If you haven't spent time deciding how your money should be divided, you can't expect to manage it well or establish a good strategy. Making a budget helps you figure out where your money should go and what you value most. If you want to know more habits to earn more money, then do subscribe our channel and also press the like button. 4. Financial automation is crucial. One of the reasons saving money is so hard for so many individuals is that they don't have a system in place to make it happen. If you set up an automated system for your finances, you won't even have to give saving money a second thought. Those who don't set up an automatic savings plan are more likely to blow over their savings goals before the end of the month. Once you've decided how much of your paycheck you want to put away each month, you can use direct deposit to make it happen automatically. If you automatically deposit money into a savings account, you won't have the opportunity to spend it. There's no better time than now to learn about automatic bill payment if you are unfamiliar with it. Make a point to go onto your bank's website right now and establish recurring payments. 5. Keep careful tabs on your spending habits. In order to save a significant amount of money, keeping track of your spending is essential. Knowing where your money is going each month is a crucial step in taking charge of your own finances. Virtually everyone may benefit from keeping a spending log. If you aren't used to keeping tabs on your spending, it doesn't take much to slip behind and start going into debt. You may have a better grasp of your financial situation if you can anticipate the money going into and out of your account. Taking command of your financial situation is possible with the aid of one of numerous solid budgeting programs. 6. Make it a routine to pay yourself first. At first appearance, the advice to pay yourself first may seem counterintuitive. When I first heard this from some so-called financial expert, I thought to myself, but I'm not self-employed. It's like, how am I going to support myself? Don't muddle things up here. The term refers to putting money aside for savings first, before spending money on anything else. You shouldn't wait until you've paid your rent, your bills, and your food before you start saving. To the contrary, saving ought to come first. To add, this is entirely feasible. Set aside a percentage or a fixed amount from your paychecks on a regular basis. Money is automatically deposited into a special Pay Yourself First account. One of the most hassle-free methods to save money and gain riches is via automatic transfer. 7. Get your money to work for you, as the saying goes. Allow your money to do the heavy lifting for you by setting up a savings system to run automatically in the background. You may even program it so that once it's set, it runs automatically. Having a clear picture of what you want to achieve in the future may be a great motivator and aid in your savings and investment efforts. Consider the costs of items like food pays, a down payment on a house, and an early retirement. It's important to put your money into investments that will provide a healthy profit if you want to grow your wealth. Make a plan to invest with the big picture in mind. Due to the lengthy period of time required for wealth creation, you cannot afford to have a significant portion of your funds languish in low-interest savings accounts. 8. Start saving for retirement. If your employer offers a 401k plan, you should sign up for it and have money deducted from each paycheck to put toward your retirement. Do what you can, even if it's only a little at first. The impact on your net income is unlikely to be significant. It is important to contribute enough to your 401k to qualify for the company match. This implies that, subject to a certain limit, your employer will contribute the same amount to your retirement account as you do. 9. Put more than the minimum payment toward your credit card balances. From now on, it should be routine for you to never charge anything to your credit card that you won't be able to pay off in full within the same billing cycle. As a result of irresponsible spending, far too many individuals now find themselves drowning in credit card debt. Also, if you want to get your financial house in order, you need to pay off your credit card debt. If you haven't been able to get ahead of your credit card debt in the past, it's time to make a change by paying more than the minimum. Carefully review your monthly credit card bills. At the bottom of many bills, they will often show you how long it will take to pay off your debt if you simply make the minimum payment, as well as how long it would take if you pay a set amount somewhat more than the minimum payment. Typically, there is a significant years and months gap. 10. Bargain down your expenses. There are numerous legislation that are up to negotiation, and this is information that is not well recognized. You may get better rates from the businesses with whom you do business if you take the time to learn about them, become motivated, and make the effort to contact them. That's all for this video. Remember, better money habits can make you rich without any effort. Practicing these rules of money, we discussed in this video, for 30 days will automatically become your habit. Sir Warren Buffett also has these habits, and that's why he never sees his worth dropping. Do hit the red subscribe button to stay updated to our channel. Also press the like button, it appreciates us a lot. Comment below if you are having any queries left in your mind. Share this video with all of your friends and family members. Thanks for watching.